so down here, guy. What the fuck is wrong? Oh my god.
Hey everyone, it's V and welcome back to my channel. As you may know, I have been spending a lot of time in my tiny home in Nairobi, and I decided to gather up some courage and take a little weekend trip. I'm here in Naivasha town and I am excited to show you around and share my experiences with you.
So guys, I just arrived. I'm trying to figure out where the house I booked is. So I've decided to walk because the place I booked is not far from where I alighted. It's like 1 kilometer, and on the app says I walk for 2 minutes. 700 meters.
I arrived in Naivasha this afternoon, and I have to say, it's already so different from Nairobi. The air feels fresher, and the scenery is absolutely breathtaking. I am staying at a small guest house near Lake Naivasha. It's just so peaceful and quiet here. Let me give you a quick tour of my room.
This is my laptop. So it has a couch and a table there and some TV over there. And this is how it is. Here is a kitchen. Nothing in the fridge, but I'm not going to cook. We have this thing here. I don't know why it is there, but this is how it looks. So, and right here is my bedroom. This is where I'll be sleeping. This is where I'll be sleeping. This is how it looks so clean. We have this. What is this? Is this a light lamp? That's a light lamp there. Looks nice. So let's just switch it off. And my view is not the best, but it's not bad for a night. And let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is here. This is the bathroom. This is how it looks. It's clean. Yeah. So now, what am I up to? Because I'm only here for today, and tomorrow I'm going back to Nairobi. So I'm going to find Hell's Gate or Mount Longonot, but I'm pretty sure the way I'm dressed, I can't go up Longonot. So let's go Hell's Gate.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
After settling in, I decided to head out and hike Hell's Gate. The park is famous for its stunning cliffs and gorges, and it's also home to some of the only remaining geothermal activity in the area. I was blown away by the natural beauty here, and the hike was definitely a challenge, but so worth it.
I had an option of going to the gorge here in Hell's Gate. I'm not going to do that one because this is rainy season, and as you know, what happened, there may be water inside there, so I'm not going to risk my life inside there. So I decided to go to the cave side. This is where the caves are, so we are headed to the cave side just to see around. I'm not so sure what to expect here. It's 6.4 kilometers from where I am right now, so let's do the hike. 6.4 kilometers, then we come back. Oh my god, guys, that's a giraffe. I see giraffes. Oh my god, I'm not even sure you guys can see them. Let me try zoom. Oh my god. Okay, let's zoom. I'm here and I'm not so sure which road I'm supposed to follow, because there's this one here where the giraffes are up there, and then there's this one. So because the caves are usually inside those, I'm going to follow this one. Maybe it will be way shorter so that I can go back before. Right now it's what? Right now it's 4:27. Remember what I said? 4:30. Let's see. Made it here to the obsidian caves. So what does the word obsidian even mean? So these are the kind of rocks that are here. Let's. Oh, I made it here. I made it, guys. I'm excited and I'm proud of myself. At least I'm not in Nairobi in that small space of mine. I got to come out to see this place, which otherwise I could not have seen if I didn't decide to travel to this place. So yeah, let's go back. I feel like I'm so done here, guy. Maybe I should stretch before I continue. The clothes I'm wearing, the shoes, they were not meant for a hike, guys. Like, I didn't know I was coming to hike. Oh my god. Guy, what the fuck is wrong? Oh my god. I don't know why I'm so itchy, guy. What's happening? Oh. Nilitaka kuja kwa wakati mbaya.
Unakuja wakati mbaya.
So guys, it's raining, but I made it here. I took a boda to the beach. I'm just going to see the lake, the waters, then I go back to the city.
Okay. Unaongea na unaongea na naitwa nani? Watu. Watu wakiongea Kisungu. Nasikia unaongea Kisungu kizuri aje. Leo kuchukua hapo. Anaangalia tu.
The main attraction of Naivasha, of course, is Lake Naivasha itself. I got here when it was raining, but this is what I got to see. And as much as I feel so bad that I couldn't see or ride the boat, I'm happy that I got to see what I saw. And yeah, this is Naivasha for you.
Well, that is it for my weekend trip to Naivasha. I've had such a wonderful time exploring this beautiful town and all it has to offer. If you are ever feeling stuck or overwhelmed, I highly recommend taking a little break and getting out into nature. It's amazing how much it can recharge your batteries and help you feel more grounded. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.